We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Namaskar friends. In this session, you will learn about the subject Basic Electrical Engineering, Unit number 3, Transformer. The major topic is magnetic materials. The magnetic material is defined as the material in which a state of a magnetism can be induced. Magnetic materials, when magnetized, create a magnetic field. Difference between magnetic and non-magnetic materials. The magnetic materials are materials having a magnetic domain and are attracted to an external magnetic field. The non-magnetic materials are materials that are not attracted to an external magnetic field. The magnetic domains of magnetic materials are aligned either parallel or anti-parallel arrangements. Thus, they can respond to a magnetic field when they are under influence of an external magnetic field. The magnetic domains of non-magnetic materials are arranged in a random manner in such a way that the magnetic moments of these domains are cancelled out. Thus, they do not respond to a magnetic field. Magnetic materials are used to make permanent magnets, are the parts of operating systems where magnetic properties are required. Non-magnetic materials are used to make parts of some operating systems where no magnetic effects are expected and other things such as cases of compasses. Classification of magnetic materials. The magnetic materials can be classified in 3 ways. First is paramagnetic material, second one is diamagnetic material, and third ferromagnetic material. Now let us understand all these 3 in a detail. Paramagnetic material. If a bar of paramagnetic material is suspended in between the pole pieces of an electromagnet, it sets itself parallel to the lines of force. These lines of force nothing but the electromagnetic field lines. If a paramagnetic liquid is placed in a watch glass resting on pole pieces of an electromagnet, then it accumulates in middle. It is because in the central region the field is the strongest. When a paramagnetic gas is allowed to ascend between the pole pieces of an electromagnet, it spreads along the direction of field. Example: aluminium, manganese and platinum are the example of paramagnetic materials. Diamagnetic material. When a diamagnetic substance is placed in a magnetic field, it sets itself at right angles to the direction of the lines of force. When a diamagnetic substance is placed in a watch glass on the pole pieces of a magnet, the liquid accumulates on the sides, causing a depression at the center, which is the strongest part of the field. A diamagnetic liquid in a U-tube placed in a magnetic field shows a depression. When a diamagnetic gas is allowed to ascend between the poles piece of an electromagnet, it spreads across the field. Example of the diamagnetic materials are bismuth, phosphorus, antimony, copper, water, alcohol and hydrogen. Ferromagnetic material. Ferromagnetic substance show the properties of the paramagnetic substance to a much greater degree. The susceptibility has a positive value and the permeability is also very large. The intensity of magnetization is proportional to the magnetizing field H for small value. Examples of these ferromagnetic materials are iron, nickel, cobalt, and their alloys. Comparison of magnetic materials. Now comparison based on this state. Paramagnetic materials can be solid, liquid, or gas. Diamagnetic materials can be solid, liquid, or gas. And ferromagnetic materials are solid. Based on effect of magnet. Paramagnetic materials weakly attracted by a magnet. Diamagnetic material weakly repelled by a magnet. Ferromagnetic material strongly attracted by a magnet. Based on behavior under non-uniform field. Paramagnetic tend to move from low to high field region. Diamagnetic tend to move from high to low region. Ferromagnetic tend to move from low to high field regions. Based on behavior under external field. Paramagnetic do not preserve the magnetic properties once the external field is removed. Diamagnetic do not preserve the magnetic properties once the external field is removed. Ferromagnetic preserves the magnetic properties after the external field is removed. Effect of temperature. With the rise of a temperature, it becomes a diamagnetic. On the diamagnetic, there is no effect of temperature. On ferromagnetic, above Curie point, it becomes a paramagnetic. Based on permeability. In paramagnetic material, permeability is little greater than the unity, whereas in diamagnetic, it is little less than the unity, and in ferromagnetic, permeability is very high. Based on susceptibility. In paramagnetic, it is little greater than the unity and positive. In diamagnetic, susceptibility is a little less than unity and negative. In ferromagnetic, susceptibility is very high and positive. The example of paramagnetic materials: lithium, tantalum, magnesium. Example of diamagnetic material: copper, silver, gold. Example of ferromagnetic material: आयरन, निकल, कोबाल्ट. फ्रेंड्स, हमने अपनी लाइफ में डे टू डे लाइफ में घर में कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स ऐसे मैग्नेटिज्म के देखे हुए हैं, जैसे कि अगर आप कोई आयरन का एक छोटा सा रोड ले लो, स्मॉल रोड, और उसको मैग्नेट से, परमानेंट मैग्नेट से कुछ टाइम के लिए चिपका के रखो, फिर उससे वो मैग्नेट जो लगाया है परमानेंट मैग्नेट वो निकाल दो, तो वो जो रोड चिपका हुआ था वो रोड से अगर आप कोई दूसरा स्मॉल छोटा रोड है उसको अट्रैक्ट करने की ट्राई करेंगे तो वो अट्रैक्ट भी होगा और उसके साथ चिपक भी जाएगा. तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि एक्सटर्नल फील्ड रिमूव कर दिया, फिर भी वो जो मटेरियल है उसमें कुछ ना कुछ मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी स्टोर हो गई. सो दैट इज द example of ferromagnetic material. So iron is the ferromagnetic material in our day-to-day life. If you have any query, you can mail us on bhavin.kanani@darshan.ac.in. ज़्यादा नॉलेज के लिए you can use our website www.darshan.ac.in. Thank you.